Hello everybody, thank you very much for taking the time to have a look at what GCSE Design and Technology looks like. The course is split over 2 years obviously, and there's no examined content in year 10. So what we do in year 10 is we tend to build on the skills and knowledge that you've learned in year 7, 8 and 9, and attempt to help you understand some more complicated principles surrounding design and technology. You get the opportunity to learn about more advanced areas in design and technology, including more information on materials science and process science, how we design for human beings, like with anthropometrics and ergonomics, and also more specialist production techniques like 3D printing and laser cutting. The idea is in year 10 that we build up your skills and knowledge so that you can approach year 11 more effectively. The big change you'll notice from Key Stage 3, Design and Technology, is that we have to spend a bit more time doing theory work. In Year 11, you have to sit an exam like any other subject, and therefore in Year 10, we have to spend time during lessons teaching you theory. And that might not be something that you're too used to in Design and Technology, but it's very important that we do that. Also in Year 10, we'll teach you about the different skills required to approach your coursework in Year 11. So you'll learn how to do 3D computer-aided design, you'll learn how to use more complicated machinery with more independence, and you'll also learn how to communicate your ideas more effectively, particularly using the influence of other people's design. Ideally, by the end of Year 10, you'll have a really wide range of skills in not only the knowledge that's needed for your exam, but also in your designing and making. So we do lots of smaller practical projects throughout the course of the year to help you learn more advanced making techniques. And each one of those practical projects is accompanied by a skill that helps you develop either your ability to use computer-aided design, or to draw more effectively, or to plan for your making more effectively. That leads us into Year 11. Year 11 is all about doing your coursework and then preparing you for exam. Okay, your Design and Technology GCSE is 50% coursework and 50% exam. Okay, and what you'll get given near the end of Year 10 is a design brief by the exam board, and what you'll have to do is find a client that meets that brief and then design and make a product that solves their problem. That will run from about June in Year 10 all the way through until February in Year 11, and then from February through to your exam we will cover all of the different theory topics and recap the topics that we did in Year 10, and that will help you prepare more effectively for the exam. In terms of content, we look at helping you understand 3 different areas of design and technology. You can see here on the left hand side of the PowerPoint you've got core technical principles and specialist technical principles, as well as designing and making principles. Okay, and those 3 different areas include all the different theory knowledge you'll need to take your exam. All right. On the right hand side you can see that there's what we call our non-exam assessment. That's the coursework. The key aspect of that is that you need to have a client, a real life person that has a problem that you are going to design and make a product to solve. Okay, and we work really hard on that aspect of the course because we know that that's where we can help you to ensure that you are thoroughly prepared and thoroughly ready to enter your exam with at least 50% of your marks already in the bank. Okay, so GCSE Design and Technology is a fantastic opportunity to understand and learn a lot more about why we choose certain materials, how we actually make with certain materials, as well as all the fundamental principles on why design is the way it is and why we make certain decisions about our designs too. Okay. If you want to find out any more about the course, please come and see myself or Mr. Eden, and feel free to bring it up in lessons if you'd like to find out a little bit more. We really look forward to seeing you. And also, just finally to finish, if you're remotely interested in a career in architecture or interior design or engineering or graphic design or electronics or product design, then you get a really good platform for those careers with the GCSE Design and Technology course. All right, thanks very much.